Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mothra, Spider-Gwen, and Amy Rose all in one picture. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Spider-Gwen, let's begin over here with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down, and then we're going to go up just a little bit. Then we're just going to go and bring this line up a little farther. Then starting out here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to here at an angle. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it up. Then we'll make another one. We're going to come down, and then we're just going to curve it back. Next, we're going to bring this line across. Then we're just going to bring this line back down. Next, we're going to bring a little line up here. And we're going to bring this up. And then we're going to come down here. Next, we're just going to curve this around and come down. We'll make a little line that curves for the shoulder. We're going to make a line that comes down. We're going to go out and down here. Starting here, we're going to bring a line that's going to come down, and that's going to end right at that same spot. We'll draw a little line that's going to come out and then back up for the thumb. And then this hand, we're going to come out and then bring it back. We're going to curve a line that's going to come up and in. We'll make another one that's going to go around here. And then we're going to curve a line that's going to come up, back, and then it's going to connect here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out and then back. And then over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down here. Starting here, we're going to bring this line up. It's going to come down and then in. Then we're going to bring this line down. Bring this line down, we're going to curve it around and then come back here for the foot. Bring this line up and then curve it up. And then we'll bring this line down here. Starting here, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to come around and then bring it to here for the other leg. We're going to come down and up for the foot. Bring this line up here. Then we're going to curve right here for the leg. And add another curve right here for the other leg. Now for that other arm, we're going to bring the line that's going to go out. And then we're going to come down. We're going to bring this line out here and then back up for the thumb. We'll add a line that comes down. And then another line that comes down here. One here. And then we'll make one more right here. Then we're going to bring this line in and connect it to here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. We're going to make another one that's going to come up and down here. We're going to make a little line that's going to go up and then down. then we're going to come out to a point and then bring this back. We're going to make a little curve here and a curve here. Then we're going to make a little triangle shape right here. Then we're going to make lines going to go over and down. Do the same thing over and down. Then we'll make a little triangle on each side here. Now, once we have Spider-Gwen drawn, then we need to draw Amy Rose. Now, we're going to put Amy Rose over here, and we're going to start with the face. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down, and we're going to come up like this. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out to a point and then come back. Right here, we're going to go down, we're going to come up, down, and then let's bring it all the way up here for the eye. We're going to add a little oval shape right here, and then a tall, skinny oval shape right here. Then we're going to color in just a little bit just for the pupil. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come up here. We're going to make a little black dot for the nose. We'll make a smiley face right here, and a line that goes down and up, with a little line and a little curved line for the tongue. Starting here, we're going to go out, we're going to come up and down for some more hair, and then one more here, out, and then we're going to come down for some hair. We'll go up and then down for an ear, bring it across, and then we're going to go up and down for another ear. Then we'll add a little triangle shape right inside of here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then up, and then one more. It's going to go down and then up here. And then over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And then we're just going to give her a couple long eyelashes right here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down for the arm, and then we'll do that same thing over here. We're going to come over, down, and then connect it. We'll add a curved line here, and then we'll come across. Then we'll bring this up. Next, we're going to come up and down. Let's go up and down again, up and down, and then one more, and this time we're going to come all the way back down. So it's like she's making a fist. Now, starting here, we're going to bring this line down and put a little curve here. We're going to come out, and then we're going to curve this across here. We're going to bring it in towards the body, and let's go up. Then right across here, let's make another long line, just to show some different colors in the dress. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out and then back down. And then we're going to draw another line that's going to go down and come back up. We're going to curve this line down for a thumb. Then for the fingers, we're going to go out, over, and down. And we're going to do this about 4 times. Just like that. With a little line down to connect. Now we're going to curve this line down and then bring it around. We'll add a little line here. We're going to go down, over, and then bring it up. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come around. We're going to come up here and then connect. And we'll add a little curved line in there too. Then we'll add a line here and then a line right here. Then over here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. The little line here. Then another line down and around, and one more. Add a curve here, a little line, and then two lines here. Then we're going to add a little tail that's going to come out. And then we're going to add a little line that's just going to come right up here for a little headband. And then we'll add another little line right across the top. So now that we have Spider-Gwen and Amy Rose drawn, then we need to add Mothra in the background. Now for this one, I'm just going to make kind of like the old school Mothra. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to curve this down and up. We're going to add another little curve shape here to make those nice big round eyes. We're going to make some long kind of broken line shapes in here inside each one. Just some little kind of curved lines. And then we're going to make some more coming down here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come across. We're going to go over and then connect. We're going to come over, and then we're going to add these little zigzag lines coming down here for the mouth. Come over, and then we'll connect them up here. Same thing here, we're just going to come down, come over, and then we're just going to make these little zigzag lines coming up here. Make a line across, and then a little line is going to go down and up. Now, starting here, we're going to make these kind of zigzag, jagged lines that are just going to come around. And they're going to come down to this eye. And then we're going to bring them down and then up here. We're going to do the same thing. This is kind of like that furry part of the eye. Let's just go around. It's like adding little points, kind of little tiny shark fins. And we're just going to bring them up to here. Next, we're going to add some little kind of pointed lines right across here for the top of Mothra's head. And we're just going to bring this right down to here. And then starting here, we're going to make some little lines that are going to come down. We'll add a few points to them and then bring them up. Do one here. We're just going to kind of come down, a few little points, and then bring them up. Add some little lines down, some across here to there. Next, we're going to add some long lines. They're just going to kind of go down and then curve around for the body of Mothra. Then we're going to make some long, kind of bumpy lines. They're just going to go down and up. That's going to be where the arm is. Same thing over here. We're just going to kind of come down and over. And we're just going to bring this down, just kind of show where the legs of Mothra are starting. Do another curve line here, and we'll do another little leg there. Starting up here, we're going to go up off the paper, and then we're going to come down, make kind of bumpy and jagged for her antenna, and we'll do another one here. We'll just make two that come up. Right here, we're going to make a pointed line for the back, and then we're going to make a long line that's going to come up, and then another long line up here. Do the same thing up here, long line, and another one that's going to come down for her wings. Then we're going to add a couple little lines for some detail. And then the same thing over here, we're just going to add some little lines just to show some detail on Mothra's wings. Then we're just going to make a couple little lines right up here for some spots where her stripes would be. And then I'm just going to come in here, add a couple little detail lines just to kind of add some extra detail onto Mothra's face. A couple little extra lines. And then a couple little lines right here just to add a little more texture. And there you go, there is your drawing of Spider-Gwen, Amy Rose, and Mothra all combined into one picture. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.